What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another video. Not so much of a vlog today. It's just gonna be like a me showing you guys, as y'all can tell by the title, I did have a red day today in the market. Ended up losing like $900 today in my futures account. Um, but it's okay, because I've been fucking killing these markets. But somehow today, I knew it was gonna be a tough day. CPI was this morning, as you can see, this big news counter here, and I really don't like trading news days, but I ended up trading today. So some trades that I took, I got trapped. All right, so this big wick here, I was expecting this to get filled, so I ended up taking a short at these highs up here. As you can see, we had a little order block. Uh, had a small order block here that I tried to get short on, but the market was just squeezing. And if you're a trader, when the market squeezes, it's hard to catch a good trade because you really don't want to buy the tip of the squeeze, and you also don't want to buy dips on the squeeze. So I ended up going short here, and I got trapped. Boom, quick. I mean, it bounced fast. This counter here came down, boom, and it bounced instantly. And I ended up getting trapped and cut it. But I did trade some light today, but I ended up I caught like three losing trades. So I knew it was my day. But this is just the real. A lot of people not gonna tell y'all or show y'all when they lose trades because they're fearful. Especially if they're trying to sell you something. You know what I'm saying? But this is as realistic as it gets. I took a short. Me and my community got trapped with that huge wick there. I did catch a winning trade. My first trade of the day was a winning trade. We ended up taking a nice short up here. We caught the tip, and boom, we caught that first opening move. So if I zoom in here, if I were to go to like a 1 minute chart, you can see it a little better. So I ended up, can we clear this? So the first trade of the day, first of all, was a winning trade, but I did work myself back red on the day. But we ended up taking a nice short after this trap. So most people call it a sweep, but I call it the trap. After we trapped these highs here, I took this bearish engulfing short. We took a short here, and my target was this pre-market support here. As you can see, we ran right towards it. So that was a beautiful trade, but of course, I knew I should have held some hold runners, look for this pre-market low, but I didn't hold runners, and I missed this entire fucking move, and I was sick. I was sick. So when it did pull back though, I decided to try shorts. All right. So boom, I think I took a short off one of these order blocks. It went to a little bit of profit, bounced back. I got out around, I want to say one or 2 points, so very close to break even. But then, if we jump back to the 5 minute, because I watched the 1 minute and 5 minute together. Hold on. I end up trying another short, which was like right here, off this order block here, and it bounced. It bounced quick as fuck, but it dropped, but then it bounced quick as hell. So I ended up stopping out there. So missed out on that trade, and I took one more. So I think I took like 3 to 4 trades today, and it's gonna be crazy because y'all gonna show y'all a trade that I take 100% of the time, and I didn't take it due to the fact that I had already gotten stopped out like 3 times. So I didn't take the last trade that would have put me up for the day. That right there fucking hurts. There's that pain right there. But so where was it? I think it was right here. Yeah. So we went into this supply zone. It was a supply zone, I want to say right on a higher time frame. I just don't feel like recharting. But it was a supply zone, as you can kind of see here, which it did fucking work. I just was so hesitant because like I said, I had already took stops. I had already hit stops on the day. So I ended up taking a short off this supply zone now, and it kind of went green, but then it bounced back, and I got out for like a very tight loss, and I was like, you know what, I'm down 900. That's it. So one of my strategies that I've been trading for years was this strategy here: trap, retest, dump. All right, I'm not gonna go into detail, but pretty simple. All right. Now I literally told my Discord community that I was gonna look for a short right here, and I told them, I said, this is a trade that I take 9 times out of 10, and I want to actually show y'all this so y'all can see what I'm talking about. I want to show y'all exactly where I said I usually take this trade 100% of the times. 10 times out of 10 I would take this trade, but in this case I hesitated. You know what I mean? So if I go this is my Discord community. If you're interested, we have like hundreds of people in here. I think like 600-700 people in here. But as you can see, look at this setup right here. Look at this setup. Textbook fucking setup here. I said, and if you look at what I said my TRR setup, the discipline in me says walk away, but I usually take this setup 10 times out of 10. And look what happens if we go back to the chart. This motherfucker went berserk, and it dumped right to where I expected it to dump, which was down here, and it ran right into it. That right there would have set me up on the day. That right there was like 20 points, and I would have been good on the day. But you know, sometimes it's just how it is. That's how it goes. And I ain't really tripping. You know, I was tripping, but because there's a setup I usually take, and I had the end of the day red. And it was a volatile day. So it sucks, you know, end of the day red on a day that you could have made some good money. But I guess my bias was wrong today. Yeah, because I wanted shorts. But as you can see, when it squeezes, you got those sellers coming in, but then you got those buyers that pushing that motherfucker right back up every time those sellers come in. So I end up getting caught as one of those sellers, and buyers just pushed it up very fast to where I either took a stop loss, hit my stop loss, or I was able to cut it pretty quick. It would have been worse if I wouldn't have used active risk management. But this is just, I think this is my only red day this week, I want to say. Yeah, I think this is my only red day this week. But yeah, y'all, you know, that's how the cookie crumbles sometimes. But overall, you know, I got hundreds of people in my Discord community. We can go to the testimonials. If you're interested in trading with us, look at all these testimonials, bro. I was trading before, but not after. But after I took the course with Tay, he made me a better trader, and it's easier for me to trade. I literally can go through fucking tons of these. Put me on game one-on-one class. I can go through a ton of these, like a ton, you know. But we're not gonna do that for this video. We're gonna save that for another video. Other than that, man, we posting a video every single day. It's currently 10:54. Just got out the shower. I said, you know what? Let me go and make a little video because I can't miss a day. You know, that's what dedication is. Well, that's when you focus, when you put your mind to something. But I'm actually currently in a trade though. I'm actually currently in a trade on NQ. So we're gonna see if this trade can play out here on NQ. I'm expecting it to go lower to take out this support from today or today's low. I'm expecting us to do that, but we're also in a big order block here where it could push higher. So as also, if you look, we got like a little descending channel going on right now. So we're gonna see what happens overnight. But if you're new, man, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment below, and I'm gonna catch y'all on tomorrow's video.